double check when we close the menu, we are re-enabling the player input handler. We are. And then we actually don't need these anymore, so we can actually move these back. Select X. Select Actually, I think instead of a sponge, because I don't have a sponge, I might make it a magic spell. I think that would be cool. So, like, maybe to get rid of the blood instead of, like... Ooh, maybe to get rid of the bodies. You, like, cast a spell. Or something. I think that might be cool. We'll see about that. I don't think I actually have a sponge. Actually, let me check. Dude, I am so grateful that they created this Cinti search because finding assets in this pack is like crazy. There's no sponges. Oh, crap. So I might have to use a book. I know asset inventory. I haven't set it up. But Cinti search works really well too. I'm gonna leave that open because I might need that. I actually have asset inventory. I have to set it up. In fact, I think I bought it before you. I think I was the one who told you about it, Mendolis. I know you were in the Discord and you were like talking to the developer about it. You got the first... No, I thought I had it before you. I don't know. All right, let's fix... We have to have the pickaxe back. So let's do inputs. Tool select. We do have a pickaxe function, and we're going to change this to select spell. And actually, you know what? I think what I might do is this is game. Let's just create a public equipment type spell book and actually, no, I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna change this to do this way. Class. field private equipment type. Controller. Let's actually make it a dictionary. Private dictionary equipment. So we're going to get all the equipment array, and for each yeah, very true. And yeah, you know, they have like a house pack and stuff. I'm like really surprised that there's no sponges. I realize I'm doing this in unvalidate, so I should probably move this to. No, I don't need this anymore. This was, instead of sponge, we made this spell book, and public void this actually should become equipment type. Really bad refactor. I could have done it better. So instead of in current equipment index, we'll say current. This will be equipment type, current equipment, and down there. Okay. Let's look at this again. So now we can say if type equals hands. check if it's out of bounds anymore. And we can say if you put map dot try and get value. Otherwise, return false. We could not find. Set equipment type. Now this becomes equipment type x hammer. Room. Pick X. Okay. Controller. Set equipment type. Set equipment type. And this becomes equipment type. It's going a little slower today. I don't think I'm gonna finish. But we're working on it. I got distracted. Oh my goodness, I broke everything. Equipment type changed. I went on a tangent. Service on equipment. Well, it's a cooler tangent. Oh my god, what did I do? I'll show you in a second, Scott. No, it wasn't the conversation we had, Stripey. It was I don't mind stopping to explain that kind of stuff. The fact that I decided to implement the tool wheel instead of actually doing gameplay. Hey, Dub. I don't mind being sidetracked as long as you learn something. Right here. So we need to put this one right here. So that's this one. Icon to turn back on. But we're going to make it a spell. What books do we have? Let's do this one. I like this one. So 5 is going to be this. And the pickaxe. So actually, this one should be empty. So let's turn off the icon. And then 4, let's see if we can find, this is under items, sprites, weapon, something that looks like a pickaxe. A maul would be fine. These are daggers. This could work. Let's see if we actually have a pickaxe. More daggers, maces, staves, wands, shields, halberds, spears, staves, more staves, swords. Okay. Is there like tools? Resources. Oop. So tools. Ah. Those are hammers. Do we have oop? Pickaxe. Beautiful. Okay, we can use this. Pickaxe. And for the hammer, actually, we can actually use the hammer. One up here. Choose this one. Actually, let's use this one. This one looks more like what we have. And then, let's see, do we have like a broom? I don't think so. I think that's going to be asking for too much. Ooh, there's a shovel. Dang. There's no broom? I don't think so. Bottles. Baguette. Yeah, nothing looks like a broom, unfortunately. Stats. These are all flat. Resources we looked at. Okay. So, just so everyone knows, the wheel is from an asset pack, and all these graphics are from an asset pack. So, I am not taking any credit for it. It does look really cool, though. Actually, let's use this shovel. Because I think it looks better. Where was that shovel? It was under resources. Shovel. And we want it for this one. let's go back. Yeah, I need an artist friend. That's really what I need. I mean, M's got all my. Now it's not working. Why are you not working all of a sudden? We got problems. We got bugs. We got bugs. No reference. I think I have to rewrite this because it was weird before. So if we have a current equipment, we're going to unequip it. Then we're going to set the type. Actually, yeah, let's set the type. We've already unequipped. Get the equipment, and then we equip it, and then we return true. Otherwise, we crap out. Yep, that's totally true. Actually, it's Lana developing, and she kindly handed me this this footage that I could use. I'm not getting errors anymore. So what is going on here? Canvas. So we have button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4, button 5. So the pickaxe button is button 4. Not actually being wired up, that's why. Okay. So this is supposed to call this. And this basically calls this, which says if the current equipment type equals the type, return false. If we have current equipment, unequip it. Then we set the current type to the type being passed in. And we say, if we're hands, we've already unequipped the current equipment. So we're just going to set the equipment to null and return true. The list is, it's an enum now. I switched it to an enum. So I'm using a dictionary by enum lookup. It was originally based on like items that were attached, but then I switched it to an enum and I broke something and I'm trying to figure out what I broke. Otherwise, we try to get the thing out of the dictionary for this specific type and we set it to the current equipment and then we equip it. So this is not being called. This right here is not being called. So is it possible that like this way? That's just the thing, is it's not. Okay, so just so you know, Scott, what I did was, so it used to be indice based, but what I did was on the items here, I have a little script called equipment, and that's, you know what? Thank you for reminding me to check this. I didn't set these values, so this should be axe. So I have a little script where I'm supposed to be setting these, and they're all set to hands. That's why they're not working. Hammer. So I owe you because you made me look and realize I did this wrong. Okay. I do need a new one for a spell book, so I'm going to do spell book. And we need to find a spell book. So let's do book. And let's filter by... how to use the new search thing. This is the new search window, by the way. Not a lot of people know this exists. It's way more helpful. Let's use this one. So just drag that in here. Get rid of this. And then that's a little big for something I'm going to hold in my hands. So let's unpack the prefab because we don't need it to be a prefab anymore. We can get rid of the box collider. Yeah. We're going to shrink this because it's massive. 25, 25, 25. And I think tweak it a little bit. Angle it a little bit. So now we're going to spellbook and change this to spellbook. So now we have that all set. Not the best way to do it, but it works. Might be better to use like eventually a scriptable object because then I can have properties on the thing, but I don't need it to be that crazy. So now it's working. I rotated it the wrong way. Actually, let's edit that real quick. Should be this. Actually, I might be able to set it back to... Right. I think it looks okay. Should be it. And then let's go back to the spell book. And paste. Oh, it copied the world coordinates. Dang it. Oh, that's okay. Because we only care about the rotation. So paste the world transform, and then we can set these back to 0, 0, 0. So, totally rotated the wrong way.